Hi guys, I'm Jake. Welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how to start a new writing brush. A new brush will be growed a really sharp and sturdy point. In this state, we cannot directly dip it to black ink, so we have to make it loose and moisture. We gently pinch from the tip until we separate some grabs for good to absorb water. As we can see some flexible hairs. Now is the right time to lose entire tip in water. Keep pinching and then stroking lightly until we can see all the hairs completely loose and rounded with moisture in the middle. So let's continue with this process. Another thing, I never spoke English to anyone, so if you heard some odd words you don't understand, please comment to let me know or email me. Now we can see it's well and soft to touch. If we don't intend to use this brush, we need to dry it up and hang it on a holder, or somewhere you can hang into it. In this part, I will show you guys how to prepare writing and save your brush. We have to wash the brush before every writing and make sure it completely loose and push out some excess water. After washing, we dip it to ink strong and let it absorb enough ink to run up the tip. Sometimes we get a couple hairs spread out on the point because they still have grabs inside the middle of the tip, so we have to load more ink. Push out some excess ink and then go to write. If you are not trying to get some special effects and corrections, you will have the best controlling and experience by use 1/3 of the tip to writing. Don't forget to wash the brush when finished writing. This step is very important for carrying your brush in a good way. Must we clean out all the inks, and also we don't forget to dry it up and hang it.